Walang dapat na ipag-alala ang sambayan ng Pilipino sa Armed Forces of the Philippines at handa raw na ipagtanggol ang karapatan ng ating konstitusyon ayon kay AFP Chief of Staff General Delphin Bangit. Malinaw umano ang mandato sa kanila ng konstitusyon ang pangalagaan ng ating karapatan at soberenya ng ating bansa, kung kaya't paulit-ulit na sinasabi ni AFP Chief of Staff General Delphin Bangit na magtiwala tayo sa Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Then we are assuring the Filipino people that the armed forces will be on the side of the Constitution. Every time we will always be on the side of the people. We will always be on the side of what is good and what is right. So ang ating sigurong magandang tatandaan for the people not to worry, because we will be on their side.
Sa mga panayam ay muli at muling pinalalahanan ni Bangit ang kasundalohan sa kanilang responsibilidad sa bayan.
They should not engage in partisan politics. Yung hindi lang AFP, kasi ang sinasabi natin the level of the preparations done by the Philippine National Police in tandem with the armed forces, we have a very high level of confidence na we will have a very good election this coming May 10.
Hinggil sa isyu ng pakikipagpulong ni East Mincom Chief Lieutenant General Raimundo Ferrer, muling ipinagtanggol ni Bangit si Ferrer sa pagsasabing isang professional soldier ito.
The PIO has shown that paper signed by General Ferrer, and in that paper he denied, and I'm holding to it. General Ferrer is a very respectable and a very honorable officer. So that's what it is right now.
Paano sir umuusad ang investigation?
Si AFP Chief of Staff General Delphin Bangit, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DZRH Nationwide.